This is on Tilt Trading. Let's review my watch list and trades from this morning. Things started to get going early today in the crypto market. First up, we have Solana. Solana, I was watching for a potential long. First, let's get my charts into perspective. This area is a candlestick area. These gray vertical bars down here, this is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is a MACD indicator. These purple lines that you see here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R4. This is Camarilla pivot R3. This blue line that you're seeing right here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 60-minute chart. And this is the daily chart. And I'll walk you through what I was seeing here on Solana this morning. So on the daily chart, we're trading below this 200 EMA. On the 60-minute, we're trading above. And on the 15-minute, we're trading above this 200 EMA. We're in some overbought conditions or strong buying. We've got a good volume profile here on the 60-minute, and we've got steady buyer momentum with the MACD above the average. We're in an oversold condition here on the slow stochastic on the 15, which could potentially lead to some buying. Nothing much here on the volume profile. Some volume that was able to initiate the price action that took the price above this R4 level here. And we've just had the MACD cross under the average, and sellers have stepped in as buyer momentum has declined here. I took an entry here on Solana based on, and it was difficult for me, or at least it's not been clear to me where the price action initiates from the, or whether price action initiated that took the currency pair above the R4 level, whether or not it was here at this level or here at this level. The price action is sold off past any desired entries here for this level, but has also not quite gotten there for this level here. So Solana not looking very clear or as clean as I would like. I took an entry here based on this stop, and then stopped out here in the next candle. I don't believe I'll take another entry into Solana just because the price action, I'm not certain of where it is. A likely stop could be here using this R3 level here as support. But since I've already taken a position, it's not been all that clear about, or at least to me, it's not been, let's say, as trade friendly as I would like. I'm just going to leave it as is. But this is what I'm seeing here on Solana this morning. It still could very well be a long, and my trade idea was an R4 to an R6 traverse, which still could be valid, but I stopped out, and since I don't particularly like the way the price action is going, I'm going to stay out of this, and it definitely could get going or maybe not. We'll see how this goes. Next up, I have Ethereum. So Ethereum, we'll break down what I'm seeing here on Ethereum. Here on the daily, Ethereum is trading well below this 200 EMA. On the 60-minute, we're trading above, and on the 15-minute, we're trading above this 200 EMA. In slightly overbought conditions with the slow K crossed under the slow D. Steady and strong buyer momentum here with the MACD well above the average, and then here on the 15-minute coming off of some oversold conditions where I took my entry here, and we have had seller momentum with now seller momentum declining, and here the MACD has crossed under the average and is starting to flatten out. We can see here the slow K is already turned up and is set to cross back over the average here. So we may get some price action back above this R4 level. This is R4 here. This is R3. Here is a Fibonacci retracement that I use to get my entry here. We'll zoom in a bit. Also on the 60-minute here, we can see this elevated volume profile right here that initiated the price action above the R4 level right here. We can see here my two entries are here at this 0.618 level, which is my initial desired entry here. And then we can get a look at my entries here: 1989.81, 1989.96. So about 15 cents apart on the entries. Same stop loss, same target. So we can see here this red line right here. This is my stop loss, 1980.38, which coincides just a couple cents below this candle here, which I'm saying initiated the price action that went above the R4 level. And we can see here overbought condition or oversold conditions and sellers in control. So this being let's say an optimal pullback area for this price action here. And I'll zoom out and we can get a look at target here. So this is the target up here. So this is the R4 level. R4. Actually, let's clean that up. So this is the R4 level. And up here where this red line is, this is the R6 level, where I would take profits right here, if we can get there. So we'll see how the price action, or we'll follow the price action and see how it goes. But this is my trade this morning on Solana, entering in two positions here. And then this is a trade from yesterday that's still going. This is Ripple. So Ripple here on the 60-minute, what I noticed was forming here on the daily is an ABC D pattern potentially forming here on the daily. We can see consolidation here on the 60. And this is the S3 Camarilla pivot, and the trade idea here is an S3 to an R3 traverse here on Ripple. And we can see we've got consolidation here on the 15-minute, and this is the 200 EMA, and this is S3. This is the range it's been trading in since yesterday. We can I'll go in a little closer, but I have three positions still here. I chickened out and exited on a position here early. The three positions that I'm in are here. I took a fourth position, but stopped out of it here on this pullback. But I've still got three positions in this, and this is the target, or I'll come in. Let's see, all of these are pretty much the same, but you can see this is my target. Here's my stop down here, so same stop loss for all of them, same target for all of them. Yeah, and we'll see how this goes, but let's see. I'll have a look at my positions from yesterday and today. So these are all my current positions in Ripple and in Ethereum right now. And we can take a look at my tickets from today. So here's my first entry in Ethereum, entry in Solana. stop out in Solana here. I risked $10 and looks like I lost maybe about $3.80, $4. Here's my second entry in Ethereum. But these are my positions for today, and this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.